If you've made it this far on your path to financial freedom, you already know that saving money is smart, but now it's time to make your money work for you. And that means learning how to invest. Investing is not just for rich people or financial gurus. It's the key to building real wealth from scratch, and you can start even if you have as little as $10. Most people believe they need thousands to begin. But the truth is that fractional shares and commission-free platforms have removed all excuses. Investing is about planting seeds that grow over time. And in this video, I'm giving you everything you need to start with confidence. First, let's talk about why investing matters. Saving alone won't keep up with inflation. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest while inflation rises 3 to 8% every year, you're actually losing money. Investing allows you to grow your wealth through compound returns, which is how the rich get richer. Their money earns more money, and then that money earns more money again. Even if you only invest $100 a month, the power of compounding can turn that into hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. So don't wait. Now, let's keep it simple. If you're brand new, focus on index funds and ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified baskets of investments that mirror the performance of the overall stock market. Instead of guessing which stock will win, you own a piece of hundreds or even thousands of companies in one fund. Great examples are VTI or VU from Vanguard, SPY from State Street, and SCHD if you like dividend income. These funds track the U.S. market and have averaged returns of around 8% to 10% annually over decades. If you're looking for even more passive exposure, ETFs like VT give you global market exposure. And REITs, like VNQ, let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. Next, choose where to invest. The most beginner-friendly platforms include Fidelity, Vanguard, M1 Finance, Webull, and Charles Schwab. ULL open a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account for investing, and fund it from your regular bank. From there, buy your index fund or ETF of choice. You don't have to buy a whole share. Fractional investing lets you buy just $5 or $10 worth at a time. Then comes the most important part: consistency. Set up an automatic transfer every week or month and invest regularly, regardless of whether the market is up or down. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it protects you from trying to time the market, which even professionals fail at. Over time, this habit builds your portfolio and reduces your risk. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building long-term wealth while avoiding emotional decisions. Investing can feel risky, but what's riskier is doing nothing. The stock market has always recovered, even after crashes like 2008 and 2020. History shows that those who stay invested win. So don't panic during dips, and don't try to chase the next big thing. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes, hype coins, or stock tips from social media gurus who disappear when the market turns. Real wealth is quiet, steady, and patient. That's the mindset you want. You're not gambling, you're building freedom. Now, how much should you invest? Start with what you can. Even $25 a week adds up. As your income grows, increase your contributions. Over time, aim to invest 15% or more of your income. If you can max out your Roth IRA or contribute to a 401 with an employer match, do it. That's free money. And always invest after your essentials are covered: bills, emergency fund, and minimum debt payments. Once that's set, you're clear to build. Use your side hustle money, tax refunds, or any extra cash to grow your portfolio faster. Investing isn't just about money, it's about time. The earlier you start, the more decades your money has to grow. If you reach 25 and you invest $300 a month into an S&P 500 index fund with a 10% annual return, you could retire with over $1 million by age 60, all from small, consistent action. But if you wait until 40, that number drops dramatically. The time to start is now. No perfection needed, just progress. So here's your 5-step investing plan. 1. Open a brokerage account. 2. Choose a broad index fund or ETF like VTI or VU. 3. Start small. $10 or $50. 4. Automate your contributions. 5. Stay consistent for years. That's it. You don't need to know what the market will do next week. You just need to believe in long-term growth and stick to the plan. Investing is one of the few things in life that rewards patience more than talent. You don't have to be the smartest. You just have to stay in the game. And now you're ready to play it right. Smash the like button if you're ready to start investing today. Comment below. I'm growing wealth from scratch, and hit subscribe because in the next video, I'll show you how to automate your entire money system. Saving, spending, and investing. So it runs on autopilot while you focus on living your life. This is Money Loop, and you're no longer guessing. You're building wealth step by step. This video gave you value. Please share it with a friend. Hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.